Anin, Bosho, Muskasaganin, and the Shinabi. Now we got no one command, sure, but the Skodaganina, and you get much on Ramazin, Ramazik. Today is Friday, April 2nd, 2021. Statewide COVID-19 numbers are as follows: 8,303,586 have been tested. 524,203 tested positive. Of those positive, 39,354 are healthcare workers. 501,188 are no longer in need of isolation or on their way to recovery. 6,864 have passed on. 4,282 of the deaths reside in long-term or assisted living facilities. Beltrami County had an overall total of 3,561 positive cases. As of today, there are 70 active cases. This doesn't include the Red Lake Reservation numbers. 3,491 have recovered. There is 55 deaths so far. Red Lake Emergency Response Team COVID-19 update. As of today, we have one active case on the Red Lake Reservation. The one active case is the Red Lake District and will most likely be released from isolation later today, and we'll have a zero for the first time for a long time. We have had an overall total of 448 positive cases. 447 are recovered. We have had 10 deaths due to COVID. The Red Lake Hospital is continuing to provide COVID vaccines to the general public. They will be hosting a Pfizer vaccine event at the Red Lake High School for individuals ages 16 and over on April 12th. A parent or guardian permission slip will be required for 16 and 17 years old. Additional doses will be available by appointment for 16 and 17-year-olds at the Red Lake Hospital as well. There is an incentive of $30 gift card to the trading post or the Panema market for doses 1 and 2 for travel members and descendants who received the vaccine. The Red Lake Hospital is continuing to provide COVID testing. Call 679-3912 and press 1. The new testing site is located across the street from the hospital in the new drive-thru building. Everyone should continue taking all the safety precautions, even if you have been vaccinated. Wear a mask in public places. Keep your distance from others. Sanitize as much as possible. Avoid large gatherings to keep safe. If you feel sick, please stay home. If you are in quarantine or isolation, please follow through with the requested guidelines of the contact tracing team. Let's continue to work together to keep our numbers down. Red Lake Law Enforcement. Report by Michael Burns, Public Safety Director. We have had 2 overdoses this past week. Both individuals survived. The Public Safety Department continues to lead the Community Overdose Response Team to help combat the drug epidemic. In other news, the tribe will receive federal funding to help our members with rental assistance, utility costs, and displacement costs associated to the COVID-19 pandemic. This funding will be available to our tribal members residing on and off the reservation. Our staff is working on setting up this program, and we'll put more information out as soon as possible. The information will be released through social media. Again, I want to emphasize please to wear your mask when you're traveling outside the reservation and continue the distancing, sanitizing. So far, we've all been working good and together, and the numbers have been going down. Let's keep doing what we're doing, and I want to thank and say miigwech to everyone cooperating and working together to keep everyone safe. And the other thing I want to encourage again is, as you're aware, the vaccine is not mandatory, but we encourage tribal members to take the vaccine for your safety and your relatives, your children, and your grandparents, and all your relatives. And you have a wonderful Easter weekend, and be safe.